This is lesson 154, numbers writing. This is not number skills, this is our numbers writing. We're going to be doing these often. Okay, I gave you plenty of paper in your packet of number writing paper. So get a piece of that out, and we're going to write by tens. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to count to 100 by tens. Are you ready? Here we go. A 10 is a 1. Let me get my tablet, right? A 1 and a 0. Mine isn't quite big enough. Let me try that 0 again, because I want to touch the bottom line and back up to the beginning. Okay, so 10. So these are going to be like counting, and these are going to be zeros. So when you're counting by tens, you're counting with this part is going to be changing. Those are not going to be changing. So we're going to do, if that's a 1, the next one would be a 2 and a 0. So we have 10, 20, and what's this one going to be? Starts with a 3, so it's 30, 40, and hopefully you can keep, I'm hoping you can keep up with me, but I am writing a little fast. Okay, but that's okay. You can stop the video and just watch, or you can slow it down. You can speed it up or slow it down. Some of you write pretty fast, but even if you write fast, write carefully. Okay, we have 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0. The next one will be a 5 0. And remember, make it nice and round. We practiced our numbers, I think it was yesterday. So let's make sure that we're writing them nice and neat. Okay, so we got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The next one starts with a 6 and has a 0, because this is the daddies of the family. And then 70 is a 7 and a 0. Mine kind of got out of whack here in the column, but that's okay. They're not always straight. So the next one is an 8 0. So let's go back to the beginning. Make sure you've got 2 circles, but we're not going to make a circle on top of a circle, because you make an S and close the gate. And then you make the nice round 0. Okay. Then we do the 9 and the 0. Okay. And now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you think is going to be here? It's going to be a 10 and a 0. So let's write a 10. You know how to do a 10. But we're going to add a 0 to it too. So do you know what a 10's? Oops, I made a mistake on that one. Let me try that last one again. The last. What a 10 and a 0 is? It's a 100. So let's say them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now I'm going to let you do the next column on your own. So I only want this column and this column. So you just copy this. You're going to make a 10, a 20, 30, all the way down to 100 on the next. So you'll have 2 10s, 2 20s, 2 30s, 2 of each number all the way down. So I'm going to go ahead and clear this one, and you can stop this if you want and copy it, or you can slow it down. But I'm going to say bye-bye, and so I'm going to clear that, go back, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.